Here's how to do a Remitly money transfer to Morocco. So to do this, just open up the Remitly website or app, and at the top right here, make sure it's set to sending to Morocco. So for me right now it's Ghana, so just click on the drop down and search for Morocco and select it. Now also make sure that your sending country is correct, and if it is, then you can pick how much you want to transfer either in your currency or in the recipient's currency. And you will see on your first transfer there are 0 fees, so just click get this rate, and then you will need to either create an account if you don't have one yet, or sign into your account if you already have one. Now creating your account should only take 1 or 2 minutes. Now I already have one, so I'll just sign into mine. Now for me the country was reset to Ghana, so again I'll click on the drop down and search for Morocco and select it. Then here click send money and make sure the transfer amount is correct, and then click continue. And then here choose the delivery method, so bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile money. I'll go with mobile money. Then from here it kind of depends what you need to do on which option you picked. So if you select mobile money, you need to select which wallet they use, then enter their first and last name, then enter their mobile number that's associated with their mobile wallet. And after doing that, you need to enter a few more details. So for example, the reason for sending and your relationship to the recipient. And then you will also need to enter your own payment details. So go and enter that and then confirm that all the details are correct. And if they are, then pay for the transfer, and then the money will be on its way to your recipient in Morocco. So now you know how to do a Remitly money transfer to Morocco. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.